Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to create AI product videos for your Shopify store using Sora AI, no camera, no actors and no editing skills needed. So first of all, you need to come here on sora.chatgpt.com. Over here, you need to first of all log in with the help of your email address. Afterwards, by default, you will be here on the explore page, but you need to hover over to the left hand side and click on the option of videos. Now, once you do this, you are going to see this type of prompt section in front of you, where by default image will be selected. So first of all, you need to click on this option and select the videos. Afterwards, you need to select the aspect ratio of your videos. So if you are making it for Instagram, TikTok, you can select the 9:16 ratio. But if you are making it for YouTube, you can just simply select 16:9. After that, you are going to see the aspect ratio. So here by default 480p will be selected, so you can make it 1080p, which will be the HD quality. Then we have the duration of the video, so you can create maximum of 20 seconds video at a time, so you can select the duration over here. After that, it is going to show you the version of Sora, which is currently the second version that it is using. Then we have the storyboard option, so you don't need to make changes into it. Now once you have it done, simply just describe your product in simple word, which is going to be your prompt. So after giving your prompt over here in the bottom, Sora is going to automatically generate a realistic AI video that is going to match your description. You can also adjust the lighting, the background and the camera angles by retyping your prompt until you get the perfect clip. So once you are ready, you can just simply select it, and you just have to download that particular video in your device. After that, if you want to add your logo, you can definitely go ahead and add it in any of the editing softwares. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.